The B-32 is an American racing sailboat that was designed by Lief Beiley and first built in 1995. The design is out of production.The boat was built by B Boats in the United States, who constructed just 14 examples before production ceased. Design: the B-32 is a small racing keelboat built predominantly of fiberglass. It has a fractional sloop rig, an internally mounted spade-type rudder, and a fixed fin keel with a weight bulb. It displaces 4,100 pounds, 1,860 kilograms, and carries 1,650 pounds, 748 kilograms, of lead ballast. The boat has a draft of 6.42 feet, 1.96 meters, with the standard bulb fin keel, and 4.33 feet, 1.32 meters, with the optional shoal draft keel. The boat has a PHRF racing average handicap of 72 with a high of 84 and low of 66. It has a hull speed of 7.03 km and 13.02 km per hour. See also: List of sailing boat types. Mylar sailboats. Beneteau 31. Beneteau Oceanus 321. Bayfield 30 seconds. CNC 32. CNC 99. Catalina 320. Douglas 32. Hunter 32 Vision. J32. Mirage 32. Nonsuch 324. Ontario 32. Ranger 32. References. External links. Media related to B Boats B-32 at Wikimedia Commons.